That was such a hard run for me to do, but I got 1 mile in. I did it. Whew. Yesterday I had to get up and just do what I could do. I got 1 mile in and it was super hard, but I just tried to go slow. Today I felt a little bit better, not 100%, but I got 2 miles in. So it was still slow. My watch died about 1.5 miles in, but I got it done. 1 mile on day 5 of a 30-day running streak, and your first run back into running this week.
Yeah, my first run in a week.
Yeah, after vacation. How you feel?
Hot, tired, ready to go.
Okay. I'm still not feeling great, so I just did 1 mile today, but woohoo! Woo! It's Thursday. It is week 6 of 30 days of running, and I just did 2 miles. Whew. I picked up Remy on my last lap, so he ran with me, and let Wade tap in for his run, because he was walking Remy while I tried to get my run in. It's hot, guys, and I'm still not feeling 100%. Every day I feel better though, so just pushing through. 1 mile done. It's Friday. I wanted to get a mile done before work. It's already muggy, but it's done. So happy weekend, friends. It is early Saturday morning. Wade decided that he was gonna run a mile with me, and we got to the track and I have no watch on. So he actually ran right behind me, right next to me the whole time. And when we got to our mile, he decided that he was just gonna run until he finished his song, because as you guys know, he has to blast music while he's running. So he wanted to finish that. He felt really good in the groove, so he kept going. And Remy was actually running with us that last half a lap. He was having fun, but he stopped with me as well. And we are done for today. We just have one more long run tomorrow. Oh man, that was a challenging 4 mile run. Didn't wake up early enough to get a good cool run this morning, and it is super hot. It was mostly challenging here. My body feels great, but I did 2 miles at the little track that we typically run at, and decided that since it was not busy out, low traffic, that I was gonna hit the road, run around the school. Did feel a little bit better. Not sure what Wade did, but I'm sure he let you guys know. Thank you guys for following along on this challenging week after vacation run. I think it's week 8. I think I mentioned earlier this week that it was week 7. My words are not really my thing. Thank you guys for following along, and we'll see you in the next one.